Hi, my name is Anthony, you already know. And I have a little bug surprise for you. Which bug you think? I think it's a spaceship. It's not a spaceship, it's a ladybug. Oh man. The ladybug box is out here. And I'll show you what's inside. You open it and see this. Oh my god. And don't forget your book, of course. And bye you trash. And you must complete it. There's nothing but be easy to read that. So this is what we have. That's a ladybug house. So you open this. This is a magnifying glass. You look through the ladybugs. So you will study and you can write it on your book. It's on the end of this page. And I help. Alright, let's take this overboard. It's up. Oh, sorry. Alright, these two are for when there's a leaf, we clean this up in this leaf and the bugs will go inside and we close it. And we took the ladybugs too. First we put the ladybugs inside there, then we close it, then the food, then we already do this. This and this, if you think this is not important, but that is, if the ladybug is thirsty, we took the water and we put it on the nest, like this, and the ladybug will eat it. And these two, we took this up, and stick it up there. Oh, that's so strong. Stick it down there. Stick it this up, like this. Right. We stick it like there. Then we close with this. Oh, this way. With this way. We want to do it this way because I can't open it so strong, so tight. So we break the hole and we put this on this, and the ladybug will come and drink the water. Or if you put it this one inside, he will float like a tissue. And if he stay a lot of time, he will be dead. So today we are going to get some ladybugs. Even early, you must look out the books. One day I got this ladybug, and he said, and one is talking about Spider-Man pen. He's dead. But this one still go out. But I have big doors, and there's no holes inside here. They couldn't go because you think that they could go, but there's not a hole inside. We are the ones who break this. We are the ones who take this, put it here, and we took those things to there. That has that. Look, see, this one says remove the things, and you read. And these are food what ladybugs eat. 16 not ladybugs are eating plant, not these guys. Okay? And this is for cleaning the trash inside there. See you at the park. And we will get some ladybugs and the food. We talk about the food what they. I know one critter is a grasshopper. You see that park? It's near our house. We go this and we go to work and there are a lot of crossings to do. Then we go to the park. There's a big hill. Then we are in the park and we'll catch some. We will go somewhere so leafy. So the ladybug will probably be there. So see you later at the park. I come to the park now. And I have a ladybug. He's all walking around. He's 16. Dogs have, which means he eat fresh plants. So we could add him to the ladybug cage. So we could feed him and do whatever what to do, like feeding him and drinking him, those we can do, and we'll give some fresh leaves to eat. Over here, so we took it inside of here and we used it to be ladybug falls out to here, and we could cross the lake, so you go fly out for a walk. He could fly a little bit high on our cage now. Let's give some first up leaf stick. This got a hanging thing like this, so we get to decorate it. What are you doing, mister? That's right, he wants a leaf. That's right, he's going like this to catch the leaf. Hi. Oh, I don't say hi. I bring 2 ladybugs now. It's so hard because it's nearly snow, so the ladybugs I only find 2 because they're all sleeping. There's 16 dots, so they eat up leaves. So, and you put these and we give the tissue. So we study for a little bit. Look what is going on. And put some things to create some. Something is empty because the middle of the legs there is a ball. Look like a ball. So you can look at it in magnifying glass. And the mouth is not out here. Look like us, not out there. It's on the neck of them. The second meat is over there. That's why I just studied 2 of them. And this one's a little bit strong. So we remove this and we can't say and he do it. So we break this and we put this on sled. We don't want this person, so we put it away. I will show the ladybird. See you there, walking around up in the potato house.